So after we added a palette set, we can share the customized palettes with other users. When the users restart LabVIEW after they have gone through the steps that we will describe in the video, the customized palettes are available in their version of LabVIEW as well. Before we proceed, we need two bits of information. Number one, if you are using both the 32-bit and the 64-bit version of LabVIEW, you need to know which LabVIEW you use for editing the palettes that you would like to copy to another instance of LabVIEW running on another PC. To do that, go to Help menu and then go to About LabVIEW, and there you will find out which version you were using when you edited the palette sets. The second thing you need to know is where your default data directory is. To do that, use this function default data directory. Let's create an indicator, run the VI, go to the front panel, and there we will find that in the documents folder there is a LabVIEW data folder. Let's go there. Let's go to the documents folder. Inside that is the LabVIEW data folder. Inside that is the LabVIEW version that you were using with the bitness that you were using. Since I was using LabVIEW 2019 32-bit, I will go into that folder. There you will find the palettes folder, and inside that is the menus folder. You would need to copy this folder, and then you will have to place this copy into the other PC in the same place. Only the user would be different in the user's documents folder in the same place, and then you would have to restart LabVIEW to see the effect of the same edited palettes that you have done on this PC would be reflected on the palette sets of the other PC. Thanks for watching.